talk to you guys because my husband is out doing other things for a little while. So we're gonna start today. A little recap. The last 2 days I just added, I didn't discard, which I think I'm gonna regret. My gluten-free one has actually risen more than my not gluten-free one, my regular one, but my regular one has more bubbles than my gluten-free one. And I also realized that I was recording in ounces instead of grams. So we're going to one in grams instead of in ounces, because that was an accident. And we're gonna go back to these guys because you don't need that much, and it's been harder to track growth of these guys. So that's what we're gonna do. Okay, so since we're back to the jars and I want to have loose lids on them so that they're covered but still have airflow, I put a white X on the top of the gluten-free one so that we know, and rubber bands on both to track them. I accidentally did 40 for the gluten-free one because I dumped a little too much in, and instead of taking out, I thought just add more, I guess. So we're gonna see how these do. 30 grams of each in this one, 40 grams of each in this one. Loose lids so that they got some ventilation. I'm hoping that tomorrow night these guys have doubled in size and have bubbles. And whichever one looks better, I'm going to use to try and make my very first bread over the weekend. So hopefully I can take you guys along with me on that adventure. So let's come back and check on these tomorrow and see how it's going.